morning. So we are currently here at Laguna Beach with my titas, my uncle, and Angelica. Nandito kasi yung tito ko from Brunei and pauwi na siya, so nag-beach kami. Ayan.
Ang talong.
Nag-iihaw kami ng
Talong na masarap.
fish. Yan. And ito, talong. Hi, tita. Mag-hi.
Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Welcome to my vlog, ganyan.
Welcome to our vlog.
Ayan. Mag-hi ka, uncle. Busy. Ayan, hindi lang video. Okay, and yun, kumakain na ng pizza. Ate Marna, say hi to my vlog. Wali nang pa-cute. Wali man naanap na kape. Anto man na nasa hanapin nyo? Baso. Nitan. Ito na, may chicken adobo, may gulay, pinapaitan. Ayan.
Masarap ng pagkain natin.
Eggplant, tsaka grilled fish. And may salad na lettuce. Ayan. Thank you, uncle. Yan. Let's eat na. May leche plan pala. And then, this one is watermelon.
Wow.
Ayan.
Say hi.
Hi guys. So we're eating now. Ayan. Wait lang. Ayan. Nakasara yung kamay ko kasi hindi ko siya mahawakan actually.